Hi, Zach again from Dometic Residential. Wanted to talk to you about the Dometic MoBar product that we have for an outdoor beverage solution. These mobile bars allow you to entertain and host wherever you need to in your backyard, so you can create drinks, have things cold for people to come out, get a beverage that they want. You've got nice storage for glassware down below in this large dry storage drawer. Also, additional storage here underneath your ice bin, again, for more storage. You also have a nice dual zone outdoor refrigerator. Plenty of room for cold drinks, additional storage. Sliding slide shelves gives you the ability to easily access the bottles of wine, champagne, water, whatever you have nice and cold and available, so that you can serve and keep entertaining. Nice cutting board as a prep station that allows you, again, to keep working but stay in the space and stay engaged with your guests. If you want to experience this product in person, come see it at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Torrance. Also in their other locations in Costa Mesa, Studio City, and Calabasas.